Hi guys, David from Auswide Tools Mechanics Tool Hire. Tonight what I'd actually like to show you is the cam cradle for the Volkswagen Audi groups, which will basically cover the 1.6 litre, the 2 litre diesel, the 2.7 and 3 litre V6 diesels, and then it also jumps up and does the 4 litre and 4.2 litre V8 diesels, which are also found in the Porsches. So what I want to do is maybe just start by explaining a little drama with these, especially the 4 cylinders, I suppose. What we've got here, we've got a cylinder head off an Amarok at the moment. Now what these do, these are actually common. The belt actually strips, the drive belt goes into the timing case cover, and then it basically just destroys, and then it bends valves. Now what I wanted to actually discuss with you guys tonight is that I'm not sure, most people are not aware that when they do bend valves, it has gears on the rear of the camshafts that are actually designed to take the shock, and they move. Now, unfortunately, these are a pressed fit and they will not go back into the same position with any tooling whatsoever. So basically, if it has bent valves, you have to replace the camshafts, which a lot of people are not aware of. So I suppose quote that up when you're quoting the job. So anyway, getting to the actual tool fitment, the tool looks a lot more complicated than it actually is. I'm going to quickly run through how to set this up. Obviously, we've done this before. This is for the 2 litre diesel. You need piece number 14 for the rear, piece number 15 for the front. And that just locates on those journals. Now you'll notice this one here, this has a actual keyway in here. So you need piece number 16. And that just clips across, and once that's clipped in, it cannot move. We then grab the exhaust side. That sits in there. For the exhaust, we have piece number 14 and 15. Now, with these, you'll notice there are half moon cutouts on the actual shaft of the camshafts. Now, these have to face out, and I will explain why later. Now, once that's in position, you then slide this piece number 13 in, so that cannot move. Then all you do is you basically slide these gears in together until they mesh. Once that's done, you then want to put the cradle over the top, and then you take these pieces here. Now what these are designed to do is basically just hold the camshafts and the cam cradle together while you put it on the cylinder head. So once you've got that done properly, then what you can do is you pull out that piece there, you take off that piece there, swing it around. Obviously you would oil all your journals and everything, and that just clocks in there. Undo that piece, and that is basically it. Now, remember I said you've got the half moon cutouts in the camshafts. Now, the reason this is critical is you'll see down there, you'll see the cylinder head bolts. If they are in the right position, you will be able to put the cylinder head bolts in the correct position. So that's a very quick, simple demo on how to do that. Part number DM11-A1576. Check it on our website, auswidetools.com.au, and like us on Facebook.